This is our third year of coming here for homecoming, and it is the best time. Everybody's so happy to be here, so happy to feed everybody, so happy to be a part of Endicott and the community, especially cheering on this football team.
We got the Endicott College grill team right here, firing it up. Can't wait to see everybody on campus. Let's go Gulls!
We congratulate each of you for your academic focus, as well as your sacrifice and commitments in working to be the very best athletically. What you all have achieved really needs to be heard and appreciated for how special the collective successes have been.
My favorite part about homecoming is just seeing everyone come together, have a good time, and just embrace the culture of Endicott. Everyone's just so together. It's such a happy and graceful community. Everyone loves each other, and it's just a great time, and we have a lot of fun.
Looking around this room though, I want to note that I see more than just alumni. I see the living history of what is Endicott College. You were here when Endicott was smaller, maybe a little bit scrappier, and in many ways just beginning to grow into the community that we know today.
A group of our girls, we lived in Tupper Hall for the 2 years that we were here way back when, from 68 to 70, and every year we come back to the major 5-year reunions. 55 years, hard to believe.
This place is beautiful. I mean, it's one of the main reasons that got me here in the first place is the gorgeous campus. What more could you ask?